The available fully digital instrument cluster gives drivers the freedom to customize the information they want to see while driving. The right side of the instrument cluster displays various driver readout information, while the left side displays various media and connectivity information. Selector wheels on the left and right side of the steering wheel control the respective left and right sides of the instrument cluster. In addition to driving information, warning messages also appear on the right side of the cluster. Roll the right selector wheel through the various warnings to acknowledge each before driving. Once warnings are cleared, continue rolling the right selector wheel to scroll through driver information readouts. Some of the options include fuel consumption, navigation, driver attention level, or having no content displayed at all. Press the right selector wheel to view more details for certain display readouts. Rolling the left selector wheel lets you scroll through audio sources like AM radio, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, and more. Press the left selector wheel when the desired audio source is highlighted. To hide driver readouts that you're unlikely to view, use the right selector wheel to scroll and select Customize Display. Then Hide Show, and then uncheck the readouts you'd like to disable. Similarly, you can hide media sources that you're unlikely to use by following the same steps on the left selector wheel. You can also customize the instrument cluster's gauge design. Using the right selector wheel, select Customize Display, and then Gauge Design. Drivers can choose between round and bar displays, while minimalistic variations of each display are also available. You can further adjust your instrument cluster settings by pressing the Home button on the color touchscreen display, selecting Vehicle Settings, and then Meter Setup. Here you can adjust settings such as the outside temperature display, alerts volume, and speed and distance units. To adjust the brightness of the display, use the brightness control wheel to the left of the steering wheel. To learn more about the features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.